Hey guys, welcome back to Michael 2.0 Minecraft. But today we will not be playing Minecraft. No Plants vs Zombies, only Fortnite. We will be trying to get at least one purple. Yes, I'm level 7. That's really weird. But I'm gonna try and get a legendary. I don't have to get a legendary. It just tries. So yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm sorry it takes a long time. Yes, I know. I have the default skin. Yes, I am kind of a noob. I'm not level 10 yet. Please send me feedback on how to be like a pro at Fortnite. The ways to be good at it when it's glitchy, because my computer is very glitchy. So yes, please. Guys, it does take kind of a long time, so don't judge that. I'll be waiting. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys.
Oh my god, there's frosting.
You wanna hang with me? Cause I'm kind of making a YouTube. You wanna hang? Hope you do. So please. I did kind of jump a little early. Where are you going? Where are you gonna hang? Huh? Where are you gonna hang? Wait. Oh wait, whoops, I was pressed 2. I'm gonna hang at Luke Lake. Let's go to Luke Lake, okay? You wanna hang with me, kind of, please? Go, my god! And I think a red's gonna be like right next to me. Yeah, red's gonna be right next to me. What's your color? I'm technically red because of my hatred. I'm sorry I can't heal you. Oh no, white. Go heal white. Ugh, I hate when you always have to like take out the glider. It's stupid. I'm kind of a little late. I'm a little late down. Should probably grab some wood.
You're trash. Fucking uninstall.
Why? What? I don't know. Michael don't know. I kind of friended some people.
Did they just say the F word?
Yeah. F. As well. Not always. Oof. Who shot me? Wait. What the heck? I hate you. Oh, I see what happened. How did you break it? Who knows? Guys, I don't know what's going on. Bye bye. Yeah, I died. Pretty clearly, right, guys? I kind of died, so. Bye. Bye. Yeah.